This is Terrence Andre Banks with Information Age Financial Solutions coming to you with a fantastic article I found from Sunday. TechCrunch.com put an article, Sunday closed on $80 million for residential real estate marketplace. And essentially, they're trying to attack a popular investment strategy for wholesalers. So wholesalers beware. The article talks about the company's a new startup, and with the real estate landscape and it's constantly changing and evolving. So this is one that really caught my attention. As always, I'm gonna put a link inside the description. And if you're a wholesaler, this is something to be mindful of. Sunday residential real estate marketplace that pairs sellers of dated or damaged property with potential buyers has raised $80 million in a Series C funding round, co-led by Fifth Wall and General Global Capital. QED Investors, Wellington Management, Sousa Ventures, Founders Fund, First American Financial, Prudence Holding, Cross VC, Intersect Capital, Gangels, and Up Ventures are also participating in the financing. The round marks San Francisco-based Sunday's third financing in a 13-month time frame, bringing its total raise since its August 2018 inception to $135 million. The San Francisco-based company declined to reveal at what valuation its Series C was raised. It also declined to provide hard revenue figures, saying only that it saw a 600% year-over-year increase in revenue from June 20 to June 20, 2001. The startup aims to help people who need to sell dated or damaged properties for a variety of reasons, such as job loss, illness, or divorce. In some cases, according to CEO and co-founder John Stott, such vulnerable sellers got taken advantage of by predatory fix and flippers seeking to capitalize on this misfortune. Since sellers in these situations don't typically have the funds to fix up their properties, and they're making these people's fixers and flippers sound bad. It's not being predatory, but that's what they're creating the company for. That's what they're stating here. I don't want to give that impression. It's just his marketing schemes. Since sellers in these situations don't typically have the funds to fix up their properties before selling, Sunday lists the properties for them on its platform, serving as an intermediary between sellers and investors. There is visible to be about 2,600 qualified off-market buyers. The company essentially aims to aggregate demand from fix and flippers who use the marketplace and bid against each other for distressed properties. If the seller accepts an inspection is completed, the company offers a $10,000 cash advance before closing to help homeowners with mixed moving costs or other expenses. Wow. Our goal is to displace wholesalers who exploit, and repeat this again, our goal is to displace wholesalers who exploit desperate or uninformed sellers and lock them with a contract which they turn around and assign to a property investor at a steep profits, that said. The tens of thousands of dollars in lost equity that goes to a wholesaler can mean the difference between paying off debts or having enough money to retire. Repeat that again. Our goal is to displace wholesalers who exploit desperate or uninformed sellers and lock them into a contract which they turn around and assign to a property investor for a steep profit, that said. Sunday claims that average sellers received 10 offers within 3 days on its marketplace. Since its launch in January 2019, the startup has slowly been expanding its marketplace geographically. It went from operating 4 markets in California at the end of last year to now operating 14 markets across Florida, Colorado, Georgia, Texas, and Utah. Sunday makes money by charging buyers in its investor marketplace a fee when it signs them a property. In the first quarter of this year, the startup launched a dedicated online marketplace for investors where they can view properties and submit offers. Once an investor signs up to join the marketplace, they can access the full inventory of properties, including information such as photos, floor plan, 3D walkthrough, and a third-party inspection report. Wow. Looking ahead, the company plans to use its new capital to expand new markets, invest in its platform, and build brand awareness. It also, of course, plans to boost its current headcount of 180 mostly remote employees. Vic Chakwa, a partner at Fifth Wall, believes Sunday is serving a segment of the residential real estate market that has historically been overlooked. Their marketplace model simultaneously solves a crucial point for sellers by disrupting the wholesale industry, while delivering a platform that property investors can count on for reliable investment properties, he said. The company last raised $36 million in its Series B funding found in December 2020. Interesting, a slew of angel investors, including a number of athletes and celebrities, also put money in the company's latest round, including actor Will Smith, Kygo and Palm Tree Crew, 3-time NFL Super Bowl champions Richard Seymour of 93 Ventures, NFL All-Pro DK Metcalf of Seattle Seahawks, Matt Chapman of the Oakland A's, Alex Caruso of the Los Angeles Lakers, Aaron Gordon of the Denver Nuggets, Solomon Hill of the Atlanta Hawks, Kelly Olynyk of the Houston Rockets, NBA All-Star Isaiah Thomas, three-time NBA champion and gold medalist Klay Thompson of the Golden State Warriors, Hassan Whiteside of the Sacramento Kings, Andrew Wiggins of the Golden State Warriors, and 2020 U.S. Soccer Player of the Year and Juventus midfielder Weston McKennie. The article is definitely worth your time. If you're a wholesaler, this is something for you to be definitely mindful of. I'm going to put a link in the description as always. Real estate investment is constantly changing and evolving, and this platform, Sunday, I don't like the name, I don't get the name, but it's got a lot of backing in investors. If this video has been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments, hit the like button. Until my next video for Information Age Financial Solutions, I'm out.